Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel guys, and subscribe. So guys, we all know indaba kaLebo no Letoya ne. So after everything that has been happening, Lebo going to the broadcast, venting about her relationship with Letoya, how much it has damaged her, how much she lost, and how much Letoya is a liar in this whole thing. Letoya, at the other hand, guys, relaxed. She's even progressing wherever she is, because right now, guys, after all the drama, Letoya bounced back with her own single named Abantu. This indeed, guys, signifies her growth, and it's like she has moved on from everything that has happened in her past on it or in her marriage for that case. Because at this point, guys, Ulebo seems to have not moved on. I don't know how much wounded she is or how much hurt she is, to a point that she keeps on going on different broadcasts to vent about Letoya. Yet at the other hand, Letoya, when she's at broadcast, she doesn't even say much. You can only think ukuthi maybe Letoya is the problem. At the same time, think ukuthi no, Lebo is the problem, because guys, the comments that are coming down the comment section about this whole issue of Letoya, it's very crazy. The other one says that Letoya is a better woman to have handled such a personality for 4 years. Yo, she is too much. At the same time, guys, people felt like Letoya has damaged Ulebo to a point of no return. And others, guys, went on to believe in what I indeed Letoya has really did something to umuntu lo, because there is no way umuntu engaba ngumsindo to that point. There is no way. You can even tell it in her body, like body language, the way she says it. Umuntu lo, guys, she's hurt. She's going through a lot. So, guys, others went on to saying that I think the only way to heal is to stop talking about Letoya. Also, she needs to calm down and stop screaming so much. She is embarrassing herself now, because in every podcast, guys, your Ukeli is on another level. Like, I don't understand the hatred that she is in, but I hope that she heals from it. But anyway, guys, please do comment below and please do subscribe.